Good morning. Today is the day. Today we will go to Sweden with my van. It's gonna be a long drive. I'm very eager to meet everyone and to just hang out in Sweden really. But I'm gonna pick up a friend first and yeah, we'll see from there. I have loads of things planned, loads of fun stuff, loads of people I'm gonna meet. So yeah, so let's get this adventure started. Maar ik heb het juist gemist. Well, as you can see, I made it to Sweden, and I apologize in advance if this is a little bit of a more random video. But yeah, I just want to talk about what I find of Sweden. I've been here for a couple of days now, and yeah, I really like it here. The first day was quite shite with cold temperatures and a lot of rain, but today is couldn't be better. So I'm gonna explore the country a bit. Go to the coast, do some hikes, prepared some videos for you guys, and I'm also gonna try to figure some things out about like living here, buying property, stuff like that. But nothing's set in stone yet. So yeah, I'm just gonna go with the flow and like I also very much like the van life. It's sort of like feels like cheating the system, like you're off grid, you can stand wherever you want, you can go wherever you want. If you don't like that place, you can go to another place. Yeah, really like it, so might do that for a while. If anyone's wondering, I'm trying to edit the video in my van on my laptop, so if it's not perfect or there are some mistakes, please, I apologize in advance. It's not so easy working in this space, but I'm doing my best. So back to the video. One thing I still need to adjust to is this. It's midnight right now, and as you can see, it's clear as day. And I don't have the intention to sleep. I'm not feeling sleepy, so yeah, just feel like doing stuff really. People also often ask me, why Sweden? What's the pull to Sweden? And there's an easy answer and there's a hard answer. And I think the easy answer is just like showing you all of this. You see, the nature. There's plenty of nature. There is a lot of nature, and that's really all I need right now. So, yeah. Okay, but what is the purpose of my visit? Is it to stay? Is it to move here? You might say that I'm taking things slow, but the reason I'm taking things a bit slower is that I want to make sure that I'm moving for the right reasons and not as an escape from my old place, Belgium, because in terms it's great living in Belgium, so I just want to make sure that the reasons I want to move to Sweden are the right ones and not just like an escape from reality to hide out into the woods, into a cabin, because I don't think that's really the solution if it's as an escape. You just really have to like it, and you just need to explore that part. So one other thing I'm trying to find out is, does the land have a story to tell? I know that it has a rich geological history from dating back from the Ice Age. I will tell you more about it in a more recent video, in a following video. And it also has a cool mythology surrounding the land and just general history, really. So I'm really eager to dive into that as well and to learn more about this place, visit some historical sites and stuff, because I think that's very important to feel connected to the land in that way as well, not only by nature but also by the history, by the people who lived here before us and how they used the land, really. So we can learn a lot from that as well. Well, the location of this place is also very interesting. It has a lot of high hills, it has loads of rivers. The summers are quite okay, I suppose, even though it's cloudy right now. And the winters can be very hard. They can become very cold and lots of snow. So there's best of both worlds in that way. It's not too far north, not too far south. You got everything you need in your surroundings. So yeah, just be rambling about. But one other thing I found interesting is that the plant life is quite diverse here, actually, compared to Belgium. I don't know if Belgium is the right example, because we kind of destroyed everything there, but the plant life is really diverse and there's many plant species you would hope to find further south, but they're still here. And even though it has very hard winters with up to minus 20 degrees, plants really thrive here. So it seems that's very cool. I also want to do some house hunting, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna make a video about it. Maybe I will, maybe I don't. But I want to visit some properties or houses that could fit for my project, like organizing bushcraft courses, maybe organizing retreats into the wild to connect people again with nature. So not sure if I'm gonna make a specific video about it, but I will definitely tell you about it, so we'll see. Planted my seeds in Sweden, but I guess the roots still need to grow, and I'm not sure how long that's gonna take, but I'm gonna keep nurturing this dream as long as it feels right. So yeah, I wanna end the video with that, and I see you in the next time.